What's up, guys? We're just gonna be showing you today. Well, it's I wasn't checking the time, but it's nighttime. It might be like 10 o'clock or something. Maybe even late, earlier than that. But we're just gonna show you Colby racing around our track we made, and show you guys. So I'm coming up here. Go face around. We made a little circle, indoor track, basically a little bit out. Green, green. He's flying through here. First lap in there. He's going super fast. That's why he wanted me to put this on. He wanted me to put this on YouTube because he thinks he's flying. White flag, white flag. And checker. Well, Colby, so you told me to put this on YouTube. How do you feel about that? He's flying. He's smash that like button. Go to his channel. Shout out to videos and MBK videos. We are